Alan.
Yes.
Unbelievable, Fulda. Thank you guys for coming out and supporting.
Well, you're welcome.
Tell us a little bit about why you guys decided to come.
Well, I've been here 2 years ago. I love it. So I decided to come back here. Anyway, brought some guns over to show people, and obviously that last time we talked is over at the SHOT Show, and we actually don't have some of the most updated prototype. Anyway, I want to show you a couple of guns here. That is the PEW, really short barrel gun, 5-inch rail. That is a prototype that is coming up very soon. I can't exactly say when, but it's very soon. Okay. Definitely before the end of the year.
Awesome.
Now that's the SR47. You've seen it before. That the CRB is already in the market. Now this is one of my favorite guns. That's the SDP. Now people ask me why, and I have to give them a really simple answer. This is a gun for people who love to wear a paintball mask. I think that's pretty much self-explanatory.
And it is the Sex, man. Now that's the one that's going to come out as a kit, correct?
Correct. The barrel shroud, and the battery compartment is basically just buy this and then put it on.
Awesome. Now tell me one other thing, because as a proud North Carolinian, you guys had some really hot news through the Chris Krytack brand a little bit ago that you're going to be working with some folks here in North Carolina.
Yes, we have the signed agreement with LVOA. That means that we will be producing 22 version of the LVOA and the airsoft version of LVOA.
How exciting is that to you? Because you're a shooter too. You got to be loving that.
Yeah, we love the gun. It's excellent. I mean, it is so cool. The rail, oh my god, it's great.
Now, one other thing I want you to do, say thank you to everybody who was here that came by the booth. I mean, you guys have like literally been non-stop the whole weekend you've been here, right?
Yeah, we have a lot of people coming to take a look, and some people heard of us before, all the way back from SHOT Show, and then we, of course, some folks never heard of us, so we explained to them our philosophy. Well, I just want to say thank you, everybody come by our booth, and it's been great.